Let's get started.
First, peel off and mince 2 pieces red onion.
Kindly watch this video until the end for the complete recipe and costing with its business name.
Next, peel off and mince 5 pieces garlic cloves.
If you wanna know how much to sell it, please watch until the end.
Then peel off and cut into small pieces of 2 pieces sayote. Don't forget to remove the seeds from it.
Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to get updates for our free raffle every month.
And set aside the onion, garlic, and sayote for a while. Now turn on the heat to medium-high. Put the 4 pieces of large eggs to the water. Cook the eggs until the water gets boil for 13 to 15 minutes in medium-high to high heat. While waiting for the eggs to get cooked, put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to the hot pan. Wait until the oil becomes hot in high heat. Once the oil becomes hot, saute the minced onion and garlic.
Subscribe to our Foodypar channel on YouTube for more new updates of videos.
Once the garlic becomes light brown, saute the sayote. Mix a little. Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to know how to join in our free raffle every month. After mixing, add 1 cup water, and let it boil until the water absorbed by sayote for 5 minutes in high heat. After 5 minutes or once the water absorbed by sayote, add the coke mismo. Next is 1/4 cup soy sauce and mix a little. Let it boil for another 4 minutes in high heat. After 13 to 15 minutes of cooking the boiled egg, set it aside for a while. Let's get back to sayote. After 4 minutes, mix it, then add 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Next, add 2 tablespoons sugar, but it's optional. Add half teaspoon salt, then mix it.
Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to get updates for our free raffle every month.
Then turn down the heat to low and cook it for another 10 minutes. After 19 minutes of total cooking time of sayote, mix it and turn off the heat. Set it aside for a while and prepare the 250 ml of microwavable containers or tub.
Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you may follow us on Facebook for more delicious and business recipe.
Divide the sayote to 4 pieces of 250 ml round containers. Then cut each boiled eggs into 2 and place to each round containers with sweet adobong sayote.
Thank you for watching mga ka-foodie. I hope you like it and give this a try. Now, it's time to taste it.
This is more delicious with lots of boiled egg even without rice, but if you are hungry, eat it with rice.
You may forward this taste test to take down notes the complete list of ingredients and costing of this negosyo recipe. If you are curious to its taste, then it's time for you to make this delicious recipe for you and for your customers to earn big profit.